fuck's sake.
So today I'm going to be fitting the Ripspeed Go Faster pedal covers in racing blue, you know, because it makes it go really fast, obviously. What? So yeah, I'll be fitting them today, trying to show you the basics, I suppose. Yeah, let's crack on. So this is your Go Faster pedals. It's the kit you get. Get Allen key, countersunk bolts with I think they're nylock nuts for the other side. Obviously you've got to drill through them, like through the pedals, to put the bolt through. Then rubber on the other side, anti-slip I suppose. Yeah, so I'll be fitting them. What? So I've got all three in place. These two are good. But on the transit, they made of plastic underneath, and it's pretty thick. So you need longer bolts just to get the nut on the other side. Maybe some washers, so it's be extra safe. So I'll leave that one for now. Them two, pretty good. So I've got me Gangster Go Faster pedals in. These two are pretty good. But that one, you need longer bolts. Probably washers on the back, because that's actually made of plastic. These two are made of metal, so I'll be getting longer bolts for them. There's that one, and then that one should be done. But it's all pre-drilled. Got three holes in it. Yeah, pretty shit idea really with the plastic one. So now I've got 250 brake horsepower more. What? So apart from the throttle pedal, yeah, that's the pedals are pretty good, to be honest. They've got plenty of grip, quite comfortable. I actually thought they'd be a load of shit, but yeah, no, they're pretty grippy. I'd recommend them, but just be careful with your pedal sizes, like your thicknesses, stuff like that. To be honest, if I had to do it again, I would thread the holes into the pedals on the car or transit, in my case. So when you put the bolt in, it threads into the actual pedal, as well as putting a nut on the other end. So yeah, well done, Halfords. You've impressed me.